Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I am so excited to share with you some super cute new AliExpress nail items. These were all super inexpensive and I'm just so excited and I can't wait to share with you what I got. So I've got two different packages, or actually three, but one I have already unpacked. So the first one is actually kind of more like a tool or like a practical item, because I have seen this, like I think maybe even 10 years ago, people making like full nail decals or like cutouts of nail decals made with regular nail polish. So I really want to give that a go. I think it's really creative, really fun, something you can do no matter what your age is, to be honest. I don't know, I think it's just really cute. So these are the little like punchable thingies. I've got no idea how these are called in English. You guys know I am Dutch myself, so English isn't my mother tongue, but I don't know, I really don't know how these are called in English. I just stumbled upon them at AliExpress and I was like, let's just get a few. So I also got two doubles because they actually looked different at the sellers where I got them. I got these at two different sellers, so that is why I actually have two doubles. I thought they were different, but in the end they were exactly the same. Then I also got a really nice pair of small but super sharp scissors, and I actually bought these because I'm doing a lot of sewing work, knitting work, stuff like that, and it's really handy to have a pair of super small like sharp scissors. But I felt like these would come in really handy to cut out water decals as well, or maybe even those like homemade or self-made like full nail decals made with either like gel polish or regular nail polish. And then the third package, or at least like third, I don't know, order that I did are a bunch of beautiful, cute, super diverse like nail embellishments. I just call them like that. The seller where I got them isn't specifically for nail items, more of like a do-it-yourself, creative, crafty kind of seller, but I think they look really cute and I got a bunch of different ones. So if you would like any specific links to any particular items, do let me know in the comment section down below and I will try to look them up for you. I was just browsing through this like same seller's page. They actually have a couple of items on sale right now, which is something that I would like to share with you. I'm not like being paid or sponsored or anything to make this video, just for the record. I'm just a big nail and nail art enthusiast, like nail polish hoarder, collector, and so on. If you have been hanging out with me here at my YouTube channel for the last, I'd say 5 years, you know that I'm just insanely mad for anything nail polish, nail art related. I just think it's all so cute. As you can see on my right hand as well, I actually have some Hello Kitty nails right now. These are my natural nails, for the record. I still get asked that question a lot, definitely almost on a daily basis. It is crazy. But yes, these are my natural nails. I actually have bare nails on the left hand because I haven't done my nails in a super long time, other than just for recording videos, like for that purpose. That I kind of feel like I'm losing my passion for applying polishes in daily life a bit. I don't know what's up with that, but I hope to re-find the joy in that, so I can actually do some really cute nail art designs for you as well with the items that I'm showing you right here. So all of these items, there are a ton of different ones. So I've got florals, I've got stars, I got like moons and clouds, I've got butterflies, a ton of Hello Kitty ones, just a whole bunch of different ones, even some super cute fruit ones, which I totally love. These all come in packages of whether like 10 pieces, 20 pieces, 30 pieces, or even 50 pieces, especially the smaller packages like this one with the cute little roses, which gave me total like Beauty and the Beast vibes. Just the look of it, it is so cute and just so Disney-like. these all came in different like sized packaging, depending on the sizes of the embellishments as well. I think I got them for like prices varying around €1.25 towards like €2.25, so they really weren't expensive at all, especially knowing that you get a lot of bang for your buck. A lot of them look so cute. They actually kind of look like soft and squishy. Some others just look totally solid, like these. I just really love the daisy looking ones in white and pink, so adorable. But the squishy looking ones, such as some of these strawberry ones I will be showing a little later, those look super squishy, but they're actually all fully hardened out, so it has the squishy look, but it's actually really tough and hard, which is something that I prefer when it comes to nail art like accessories anyways, because if something is soft and squishy, the chances of your like embellishment actually popping off of your nail is a lot higher, because it doesn't have like the toughness it pretty much needs for daily life, or at least that is my personal experience. If you feel otherwise, definitely be my guest, use like the soft squishy ones, but I feel like the harder ones are easier to clean as well, and they just stick to my nails a lot better. Also, you can just use these with regular nail polish. You don't have to use gels, acrylics, glues, or anything like that. The only thing is, if you use regular nail polishes only to adhere these, the longevity might not be a full week. It might only be like 4 to 5 days, but it really depends on how rough you are with your hands in daily life. So that's just something I want to put out there. If you would like me to share some more tips and tricks on how to adhere like bigger embellishments like these, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I've just got so many different ones, like candy ones. Oh, they are adorable. Once again, if you would like any links or anything, let me know in the comments down below and I will look them up for you. I'm actually at the moment looking into getting some different ones from this same seller, or just other random sellers that I will be bumping into at AliExpress. So definitely keep an eye out for more videos like this. I won't be doing them every single month, because of course shipping takes a couple of weeks sometimes as well. If you have some specific items that you're loving yourself that you find at AliExpress, let them know in the comments below as well, because I think not only that I'm super interested in that, but a lot of other viewers as well, and just nail art enthusiasts like me and you. And then just something completely different that I wanted to share with you, because last week I was feeling so rough, just fluish, sick. I had a really bad cold. I am still not fully recovered. You might hear that in my voice a little bit still, but it's like 90% better already. So thank you so much for all of the get well wishes, messages at Instagram and here at YouTube as well. I'm really thankful for that. I just love that we have such a tight community, and that, like, I don't know, I can just tell you guys when things are getting a little rough or sickly or anything like that, and you really don't seem to mind me just switching up my content because of that a little bit. So thank you guys so much for that. I really appreciate that. And of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, but you do love nail art and nail polish and natural nails, or even false nails for that matter, everyone is welcome here. So you can always subscribe and yeah, leave a comment. Let me know, where are you from? Are you into regular nail polishes? Are you into gel polish? Maybe you're into acrylics? Let me know. I'm always curious to hear about that, and maybe we can switch out some opinions and just talk about nail stuff, you know, because at the end of the day, my channel is all about nails, nail art, regular nail polishes mostly, but some gel polish and just cute embellishments, glitters, and so on. And yeah, I always love to talk to you guys as well. But yeah, back to all of the beautiful goodies that I got. As I mentioned, they were really inexpensive, so if you don't have a big like spare budget for stuff like this, definitely check out AliExpress. Especially here in the Netherlands, the prices have risen a bit because of taxes and import costs and stuff like that, but it's actually all calculated at checkout already, so it doesn't come as a surprise that you actually have to pay, like here in the Netherlands it's especially 21% of taxes, so you won't be surprised by an insanely high amount of money at checkout. I don't know what that's like in different countries, to be honest. Of course, I only have my own like view on stuff like that because I am living in the Netherlands. But yeah, I'm really curious to hear about that. Are there any specific like extra taxes you have to pay? Like the last, I think it's like for 2 years already maybe, but I haven't really bought much at AliExpress since I think like a year ago. So yeah, I'm really curious to hear about that. I just know that taxes are calculated at checkout already, like they are like included in the price, so I personally don't mind it. Even though prices have risen a bit, I still feel like these are really inexpensive. Like just the bag of these cute little like frogs, I think I paid like even less than €2, and in my opinion I think there were like 50 of those in that bag. Same goes for these little like oinklets, little pigs. Oh, they're just adorable. Like looking at all of these embellishments. Oh, and these ones, I think, aren't those like cinnamon roll, I don't know what the character is called, aren't those from that specific show or character range? I actually got those as a freebie because I ordered quite a ton of different ones, which is something that I love too, when sellers actually throw in some extras for free, like some different items that you don't have in your order yet. I think that's really cute. But what I wanted to mention before I got all distracted by the freebie bag is just looking at all of these embellishments and ornaments and stuff like that. I'm getting really inspired to do some more nail art stuff, which will result in some nail art videos too. So if you are like, okay, I really like that specific embellishment, can you do a video about that or do like a creative design? If you have any ideas or requests, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because sometimes I'm just very uninspired, and especially with life being super busy, like I'm still working full-time, I have like a whole massive garden to attend, I have like my social stuff that I have to keep up. Sometimes like inspiration is just gone, and you know, everyone needs a little help sometimes. So yeah, if you have any requests or ideas, let me know in the comments down below. And these last ones, I'm just obsessed with them. They are so cute. Those little like stars and clouds, like all those little faces, those are adorable. But thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, if you want to know any links or anything, let me know. And yeah, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.